Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix lost connection to host/server.connection timed out. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is simply just restart the game. So go ahead and just right click on Call of Duty if you have it open and just close it. Once the game is closed, you can either restart your PC or you can restart your Wi-Fi connection, or you can do both. In order to restart your Wi-Fi connection, you can simply just unplug the power cord out of your Wi-Fi router, plug it back in after about 30 seconds, and then once your PC has been turned back on, you can check to see if that fixes the issue. Another method you can try doing is, instead of using a Wi-Fi connection, you can use an Ethernet cable instead, because that does tend to help as well, and that also does give a faster internet connection as well, so lower ping, and you won't have any packet burst loss either, so that is also something to keep in mind. The third thing you guys can do is make sure that your graphics drivers or everything is up to date and there's no issue with that. And once you're done with everything, you guys should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.